Experiencing a key not detected error on your 2010-2019 Lexus GX460 can be frustrating. This happens when your key fob can't communicate with the car's immobilizer system, often due to a dead fob battery. Most common cause is a dead key fob battery. The key fob uses low-energy signals for communication with the car's immobilizer. This video will guide you through unlocking and starting your car in this situation. We'll focus on practical solutions and DIY fixes. Your key fob has a physical key hidden inside. Locate it and use it to manually unlock the driver's side door. This bypasses the electronic system, allowing you to access the vehicle even with a dead fob. This is the quickest first step when facing the key not detected error. Once inside the vehicle, place the key fob as close as possible to the start button. The GX460 has a backup system that allows the car to detect the fob at very close range, even with a weak or dead battery. Press the start button while holding the fob nearby. This should start the engine, though it may take a few tries as the backup detection works at minimal range. Note that it may take a few tries to successfully start the engine using this method. If replacing the key fob battery doesn't resolve the key not detected error, reprogramming the fob may be necessary to resynchronize it with your Lexus GX460's immobilizer system. Start by locating the physical key blade inside your key fob. This is the metal key that serves as a backup when the electronic components fail. Insert the physical key into the driver's door lock cylinder. Turn it to the unlock position, but hold the unlock button on the fob at the same time to enter programming mode. After turning the key while holding the button, remove the key and attempt to start the car using the start button. This process tries to resynchronize the fob with the vehicle's system. If this reprogramming attempt succeeds, the key not detected message should clear. However, be aware that this method may not work on all GX460 models due to variations in software. If it fails, professional reprogramming at a Lexus dealer is recommended. When troubleshooting key not detected issues on your Lexus GX460, start by verifying that any new battery you installed is functioning properly. Test it with a multimeter or try it in another device to confirm it's not defective. Electronic interference can disrupt the key fob's signal. Move away from sources like cell phones, laptops, or other wireless devices that might interfere with the communication between the fob and your vehicle. Water damage is a common cause of key fob failure. If your fob has been exposed to moisture, it can corrode internal components. Check for visible signs of water intrusion and allow the fob to dry completely before attempting to use it again. If the problem continues despite these steps, it's time to consult a professional. A certified Lexus technician can inspect the key fob, check the vehicle's immobilizer system, and perform any necessary repairs or reprogramming. When DIY fixes like battery replacement or basic reprogramming don't resolve the key not detected error, it's time to seek professional help from a Lexus dealership or qualified mechanic. These professionals have access to specialized diagnostic tools and can perform advanced reprogramming of the key fob system. They can address complex issues with the immobilizer system or engine control unit that require technical service bulletins and proper equipment. This is especially important if the problem goes beyond a simple battery failure and involves deeper electronic components. To prevent future key detection issues, replace your Lexus GX460 key fob battery annually. Regular checks ensure reliability and avoid lockouts. Lexus is advancing to digital key technology using UWB, BLE, and NFC for secure, wireless access. Smartphone apps enable remote unlocking and starting in newer models. While not available for 2010-2019 GX460, this represents the evolution away from traditional key fobs.